hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make caramel iced coffee. So let's get started with the recipe. First, take 1/3 cup of water and add in a tablespoon of instant coffee powder to it. Then add in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can adjust it according to your taste. Then microwave the mixture for about a minute. Stir it very well so that the granulated sugar is dissolved. Then take a mason jar or any glass you want to serve the coffee in and add in the coffee mixture. Then add in 2 tablespoons of caramel syrup. Stir the caramel syrup so that it's combined with the coffee mixture. Now add a lot of ice cubes to it because the coffee would still be hot. Then add in 1 cup of cold milk. Stir the milk and the coffee mixture so that everything is well combined. Hope you liked this recipe. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. After you subscribe, press the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a video, and I'll see you in my next one.